you're okay. That's the nice thing about this is it'll record while I'm on the phone. It's flashing up over the interstate, if that gives you any idea. Yep.